We have already started to consider what a self-driving car may be like. In the cars of the future, we may only set a destination and the car will do the rest. This kind of intelligence still requires a lot of parameters in order for it to be safe and successful. In this video, we're going to look at the difference between AI agents and automation tools, why this matters and what this means for your business. AI chatbots using large language models or LLMs is what most people think of as AI. They've interacted with either a ChatGPT or a Copilot or Claude chatbot, and that's the interaction that they've had. Is what most people are using today. You ask questions, you get answers from it, you prompt it, it responds, it helps you think, write and analyze. It's reactive. Automation tools are software applications that follow a rule-based approach to completing repetitive processes. Tools like Zapier and Make are a way for an action in one application to influence an action in another. If this happens here, then do this here. Most of the automation tools didn't have AI integrations in the past, but many of them do now. These tools follow fixed steps. AI agents, on the other hand, take actions, complete tasks, use tools, make decisions within boundaries, and combine the thinking of AI with the functionality of automation. They are proactive within the rules. They think, they act, they check and repeat. The AI agent decides, what should I do next based on your instructions? It does something like send an email or searches data. It evaluates, did that work? If not finished, as in, did it reach the goal or outcome set, it goes again. The agents use the large language models to make the decision about what to do. So which LLM they use will determine the output also. So this moves from technology that can help you generate or create something to technology that can help you execute something. Agents can handle repetitive tasks, run in the background and give you back time by handling the work that doesn't require your thinking. For example, if you instruct an AI agent to organize a meeting with a particular client, the agent will do so. So how do AI agents work? The goal is set by you. This is what you want to be done. It could be that you want to generate reports or book appointments. Automation tools follow instructions, whereas AI agents interpret the goal. The second step is that the agent uses the LLM that powers it to determine what to do and interpret the instructions. The LLM used will influence the output. Some are better at reasoning, some are faster, some are more cautious, some are more creative. That's why two agents doing the same task might get different results. Unlike automation tools, they don't need every step to be defined. They can decide what to do and in what order based on the context. The third is what makes the agent so powerful, because they can connect to different applications like your email, CRM, spreadsheets, your website. Without tools, AI can only talk. With the tools, AI can act. The fourth step is critical because this is where you define what it can do, what it can't, and what the limits are, such as approvals or spending limits. Instead of you doing the work or AI helping you do the work, you now have AI systems that can do parts of the work for you. In comparison, an AI may think and generate, an AI agent acts and executes. You prompt a LLM to respond, whereas you provide a goal to AI agents to action. The LLM chatbot doesn't have much autonomy, whereas the AI agents have some autonomy within rules. The LLM have limited access to tools, whereas the AI agents can use tools and APIs. The LLM can do things like generate content, write an email, whereas an AI agent can send the email to clients on the list, personalizing it based on location using your brand tone. A comparison of examples of how you might use this in a small business. You might use the AI chatbot to provide a sounding board for your strategic thinking, and the AI agent to send the proposal to the client and track interactions. The AI chatbot can help you draft and refine a proposal. The AI agent updates your CRM based on activity in your email inbox. The chatbot helps you analyze market and competitor information. The agent schedules meetings in your calendar. The chatbot helps you refine your pricing strategy. The agent reviews support requests and assigns resources. The chatbot summarizes meetings and creates notes, and the agent inputs data into a system after extracting a report. We've already explored how AI agents can handle repetitive tasks and give you back time. Agents also deliver processes the same way every time with fewer missed steps, creating consistency. They do more without you needing to hire immediately. This is great for smaller businesses to test ideas and processes before committing to employee costs. This also helps support your growth so you can do more with less. As agents don't need sleep, they can run 24/7, increasing productivity. Agents help you with systemization because it forces you to define processes, improving how your business operates. Agents are designed to complete a goal, but if the goal or rules are unclear, they may take actions that weren't intended. For example, if they are told to get more customer responses without boundaries, the agent might send too many messages. If you don't have clear processes and defined rules, agents will amplify chaos. AI agents don't fix broken systems, they scale them. If we remove human touch completely, it can damage the customer experience. We need to balance automation with human relationships. Small mistakes repeated many times can impact finances, reputation, and customer trust. Agents aren't independent thinkers or decision makers. They will make decisions, but it may not be the right ones if you haven't given the right instructions. Currently, as of March 2026, the use of AI agents is still emerging, and tools can be fragmented, which requires some experimentation, which may not be so useful for the time-poor business leader. So, are AI agents for you? For most small businesses, the biggest opportunity right now isn't full automation. It's using AI to build better systems first. AI agents aren't something to rush into currently, but when used at the right time in the right way, they can transform how your business operates. We'd say if you're not yet consistently using automations or AI in your day-to-day work, AI agents are probably not your next step right now, but they're worth considering in your strategy. This is because AI agents require your leadership. They require specific, well-defined goals and strict operational parameters to prevent irrelevant or harmful outputs. They also need regular monitoring by humans, along with AI-driven evaluation, helping refine the agent's performance, fix errors, and align them with evolving business goals. This means that if you haven't got well-defined goals, well-working processes, and a deep understanding of how things work, those are the things that you should be working on now, with a view that you can identify tasks and processes that could be served by AI agents in the future. Like AI agents are not independent. They are systems executing instructions repeatedly. They don't have goals of their own, make decisions outside rules. They give you capacity, but they need your leadership. AI agents are designed to complete a goal, but if the goal or rules are unclear, they may take actions that weren't intended. For example, if they're told to get more customer responses without boundaries, the agent might send too many messages, send messages to the wrong people, use the wrong tone, or follow up aggressively to meet their goal. Not because it's thinking badly, but because it's optimizing for the goal without any context. AI agents don't understand what's right or wrong. They follow instructions and optimize for outcomes. The clearer the instructions and boundaries, the better the outcomes. AI follows prompts and generates responses based on its training and training content. Automation tools follow explicit instructions, if this, then that. AI agents interpret goals and work within set parameters or guidelines. AI agents aren't just automation tools. They're a new way of operating, but like any system, They only work as well as the structure behind them. In the next video, we'll look at local LLMs, data centers, and what sovereign AI means and what it could mean for you and your business.